Good morning, doctor. My name is Chong Jue, and my supervisor is Muhammad Khatib. Today, I would like to explain about my uh, uh, PSM, which is Educational Application Development. My project title is Management and Teaching System, and this is the overview. First is introduction, second is literature review, third is system develop methodology, and fourth is requirement and analysis, and the last is conclusion. So first is problem background. Kindergarten face uh, challenges in both management and teaching process, and many school use separate system for scheduling, payment, and record management, resulting in efficiency. So I try to develop a system that integrate all the module into one platform lor. And then so and then that's all. So the project aim is to develop a management and teaching system using Flutter and Firebase that merging management and teaching module for Datica Goshen Setiawan. And the project objective is to elicit the and analyze the requirement for a management and teaching system design for the kindergarten Goshen Setiawan, and design and develop a management and teaching system based on the identified requirement, and to test and validate the management teaching system to ensure it meet the specific requirement. And then the current system analysis, I compare another two application with my proposed system. Uh, their content is educational video books and creative, and I have trilingual modules which contain Chinese English and Malay. And then for management, um, it is individual user focus, and I focus on management and also teaching. And for parent actor, they only can tracking their progress of. I have scheduling and then and payment with the parent actor, and the technology used by me is Flutter and Firebase. For front end is Flutter and back end is Firebase, and I use agile methodology because uh, it can change when the requirement I want to change the requirement, user requirement. For software requirement, I use Visual Studio Code because that they can download a lot of extension and can check your code for error. And then for SDK, I download the Flutter SDK so it can translate that code into machine code for Android and iOS. And for database tooling, I use Firebase. It helps me manage database and user authentication. And for project management, I use Jira and GitHub so I can track my work and ensure I follow the Agile workflow. And the hardware requirement need a CPU to speed up the execution and compilation, and it will build the software efficiently. And the RAM need at least 16 GB. So because Android Studio need a lot of memory, and storage need 500 GB solid state drive, because the Android SDK and simulated image and project build dependency need a lot of space on the disk. And input device, web camera is needed for testing video conference and remote observation feature. And this is the use case diagram. Student can play quiz and view achievement, uh, and then access learning material, and parent can make payment, tracking progress, and then communicate with teacher. Teacher also can communicate with parent and view feedback up and can upload, access, and delete the learning material. And then admin can manage user and manage schedule and delete learning material, access material. And then teacher also can manage quiz. And this is the class diagram. I apply MVC architecture. And this prototype user interface. And this for admin resource management notification, manage user schedule. And for parent, they can make payment, get notification, progress, message and overview. And for teacher is resource quiz and feedback, message student and overview. And for student, they can have learning material overview, quiz portal, and achievement. So for the conclusion, the management and teaching system for Tatiga Goshen Sitiawan was successfully proposed. The system addressed key problem in kindergarten management and teaching and improve communication between teachers and parents and enhance student engagement through interactive learning material, provide a centralized platform for managing schedules, learning and student progress. And thank you for listening, and I think that's all. Thank you.